One of the most important things that I can point out to you is that you need a journal when you're trading. Why do you need a journal when you're trading, or a diary? It's really important at the end of the week to go back on your trades and see what you did. Now, if you have a losing week, it's so great to be able to go back to those charts and just have a look at exactly what caused you to lose. And if you have a winning week, same story. But how do you put a journal together? What's a journal all about? And it's actually so easy. It doesn't take you very long. So if you can put a journal together, even if you're scalping, it's going to help you improve your trading. And how does it do that? By looking at your mistakes and looking at your positives. By identifying what you did right and what you did wrong. Hey, it's Rob Guilty, it's logical trading. Don't forget, trading is risky. If you don't like losing money, don't trade. 80% of traders actually lose money. Don't forget that. So, trading is really important to keep a journal in trading. And it's just so easy to do it, and people don't do it. Most traders, in fact, 90% of traders don't do it, and that's probably why most traders end up being losing traders and don't ever get to that top 10-20%. You see, all you got to do is put your trade into a spreadsheet. Now, your spreadsheet, you can use Google spreadsheets. You don't need a special program or anything like that. And all you need to do is record the entry in, the entry out, the profit and loss, maybe the exposure, the stop loss that you had, and the reason you took the trade. Just put a reason why you took the trade. And then every single trading program, TradingView, MetaTrader, whatever, they've all got a little button that you can press and it'll just record your chart. It'll take a screenshot of your chart. You can save it as a PDF, you can save it as whatever, and just keep it with that trade. So that at the end of the week you can go back to it and just have a look why you took that trade in the first place. And it really, you'll be amazed at how it helps you. It's absolutely a fantastic thing to do because it helps you identify patterns in the stock market that you might not have identified previously for whatever reasons. It just helps you get ahead. It helps you see where you're going, and it also helps you keep a record of your profits and losses, just like any normal business. You can keep an idea of whether you're making a profit, whether you're making a loss, what your costs are, and that sort of thing as well. So a journal is absolutely super imperative. By the way, go check out my blog, check out a trade I give every single day on my blog. 10-15 seconds of your time, nothing more. Visit the secret blog. Free trade on there every day, which I post totally free. Guys, it's not financial advice, just a trading idea. On the blog as well, you'll see on the left, little PDF, free Forex book, my gift to you, asking nothing for it. But enjoy the trade every day. It's always nice to know what everybody else is doing, isn't it? So if you've checked out the blog, you'll know that you get a free trade every day. And it's just an idea. It's not advice, it's just an idea. Go and check it out, and I hope it helps you in one way or another. So journaling is super important. It's something that I wouldn't leave out of anybody's trading. I know most people see it as a chore, as a lot of work to do and a lot of hassle, and I have to go and like save this chart and what have you. And even if you do it and you don't go back and have a look at it, at least you've done it. And if you do need to go back and have a look at it, it's there, it's ready for you. You can go back and just check it out. Journaling is so easy. It's a spreadsheet. Put a reason for the trade down. You can also go back, see how many trades you took, which trades you took when you traded an index, when you traded a currency pair, whether you traded a commodity, which ones are working for you, which ones are not working for you. You'll find in this game there are certain products that work better for you than others. And that's always helpful as well, when you find a product that's good for you and a product that's actually, you kind of have a lot of success with. And the reason for that is because you get to know it so well. You get to know the product so well that you tend to do better with that specific product. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever. And don't forget, till next time, bye.